In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily disable AdBlock or AdBlock Plus in Google Chrome. Sometimes you may find that an ad blocker is preventing certain content from displaying correctly on a web page or interfering with the site's functionality. Disabling it, even if just temporarily, can resolve these issues and let you enjoy your browsing experience to its fullest. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've got Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small icon that resembles 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will open a menu that contains a variety of options available for your browser. It's essentially your go-to hub for settings and other important features. After clicking the 3-dot menu, look for the option labeled Extensions. Hover over this and then select Manage Extensions from the drop-down that appears. This will take you to a new tab dedicated entirely to the extensions you've installed in Chrome. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of all the extensions that are currently part of your browser's ecosystem. Scroll through the list until you find either AdBlock or AdBlock Plus, depending on which ad blocking extension you have installed. The list should be in alphabetical order, making it easier to locate the specific extension you're looking for. Take a moment here to confirm that you've identified the correct extension, as managing your extensions effectively often hinges on small details. Once you've located AdBlock or AdBlock Plus, you'll notice a small toggle switch mentioned next to it. This toggle is currently enabled, indicated by a blue color, which means the extension is active and doing its job to block ads on the websites you visit. To disable AdBlock or AdBlock Plus, simply click the toggle switch to turn it off. You'll notice it changes to gray, signaling that it's now disabled. Remember, disabling your ad blocker will allow ads to appear on web pages, which could be exactly what you need to fix display or functionality issues. However, be mindful of the ads you see, especially if they seem suspicious or inappropriate. That's why it's a good habit to re-enable your ad blocker once you've finished whatever task required you to disable it, ensuring your browsing safety and maintaining a distraction-free online experience. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to turning off AdBlock or AdBlock Plus in Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can manage your browsing experience with greater flexibility and control. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. Enjoy your browsing, and remember to enable your ad blocker when it's no longer needed.